my channel. So today I have this super glowy, bronzy summer makeup look that I've been doing a lot lately, and a lot of you guys have been requesting for me to do this video, so here it is. I hope you guys like what you're seeing. Before we move on to the tutorial, I also have to announce the winner of my Dose of Colors times I Love Sarahi video giveaway. So let me get my phone and let's select a winner from there. Let's see who the lucky winner is. The winner for the Dose of Colors giveaway is Lori Valdez. She said, "Done. Love watching your videos and love those brows, by the way." Thank you, girl. And also, if you didn't know, I am also having a giveaway that's going on right now on my family vlog channel, Meet the Pangs. So be sure to check out that video, so that way you can have another chance to win more makeup. Yay! Alright guys, so enough talking, let's just jump right into the tutorial. So today we are going to be doing a glowy summertime look. So I always prime my face before I apply my brows, and I use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm gonna say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. You guys know this is my favorite foundation, and also excuse my nails, I haven't had time to remove it and apply another color. So I love this foundation because it is full coverage. It lasts all day. It is like a demi matte finish. It's not like super matte. Up, I'm going to work on my eyes. So for this step, you can either use your favorite bronzer or just use any medium brown shadows that you like. I'm gonna be mixing these two brown colors over here. They are MAC Saddle and Makeup Geek Tan Lines. Alright, next I'm going in with Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear and my Morphe blending brush. I don't really know what number this is, but I'm gonna focus this color on the outer corner and kind of blending it into the crease as well. Next up, I'm going to be taking MAC Swiss Chocolate right here and mixing that with the Makeup Geek Americano right there to deepen up this outer corner right here, and we're just focusing it on the outer V right here, but not so high up. I'm just tapping this color, as you can see, like back and forth, back and forth. I usually go back and forth between these two colors. I really love this color right here, which is a really pretty bronzy gold from Makeup Geek, and this is called Magic Act. And I also really love let me see what it's called, Grandstand. It's like a bronzy, this one right here, it's like a bronzy color. Like, I can't really explain it, but they're both just so beautiful. I love these two colors. Grandstand. So let's start with Grandstand, and I'm gonna start with, you know, I'm gonna start by tapping this color all over the empty spaces on my lid. And as you can see, I feel like it looks darker in the pan, but once you put it on your eyes, it kind of has like that gold like reflect in it, so it just looks so freaking beautiful. I am obsessed with this color. Is just line my eyes, and I'm using the J Cat liquid liner. So now that the lashes are on, we are gonna move on to the concealer. I've been loving the Flower Beauty concealer. Obsessed, you guys. I'm literally down to my last few drops. It's nice and full coverage, but doesn't feel drying or heavy like the Tarte Shape Tape. Blend it out. And I like to put whatever's left on the beauty blender onto my chin. And then I like to use the back of the sponge to just blend the harsh lines. But I am going to be using my Laura Mercier loose powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with that. And you want to set your under eyes as soon as you can before it starts creasing. All right, now for bronzer, I'm gonna first take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I'm gonna use this as my base bronzer. I've been loving the look of layering my bronzers, so that's why I'm gonna be taking 2 different bronzers today. I'm not really contouring my face. I'm just literally placing the bronzers where I want to on the normal places. So on my temples, forehead, cheekbones, you know, all that. I'm also going to be using this to contour my nose. And for my nose contour, honestly, so easy. I just use an angled brush. And I just draw a straight line down the sides of my nose. You want to draw the lines not all the way out on the real outer part of your nose. You kind of want to like make it, you kind of want to draw it in like closer together, so that way your nose appears smaller, if that's what you're trying to achieve. Now for the second bronzer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match in Cocoa C8, and I'm gonna be using the same brush, but for this one I'm just gonna focus it slightly a little like within the perimeter of the first bronzer, and I'm not gonna drag it out as much. So this one's gonna help like give that contoured look. Next is of course my favorite part, which is highlighting. And honestly, ever since I found this highlighter, my life has changed. Like this highlight is honestly the best, hands down, like the best of the best. This is the I Love Sarai times Dose of Colors Soul Mate highlighter, and girl, it's so good. Like it is just so fucking blinding, excuse my language, but it's so fucking blinding. Like it looks photoshopped, it looks wet, it looks amazing. I just can't. So good, I can't. So obsessed, like I can't stop applying it. I'm just gonna take a little bit onto the temples. And then another thing that I love to do is always blend my bronzer into my highlight, just so it looks blended and put together. Apply the highlight onto the brow bone, of course to the nose. Oh my gosh, I know a lot of people love or hate the nose highlight, but I am definitely a lover of the nose highlight. Can't get rid of it. No shame in my game. And then I like to also take this in my inner corner just because it's so freaking bright, and wow, just so good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the first warm browns that we put on the crease. No, actually, I'm just gonna take Cocoa Bear, which is the second color we picked up earlier, and I'm gonna lightly run that underneath. All right, so now moving on to the lips. This is like my favorite lip combo at the moment. Oh, so obsessed. So I'm gonna be using the ColourPop times I Love Sarai curvy lip liner. I like to kind of shade it in a little bit. And then I'm gonna take the Dose of Colors times Luster Lux and Desi Perkins lipstick in No Shade. It's basically like a pretty nude. Put that on the center, just like that. And to top it all off, I'm gonna be using, I just realized my lip combo is all collabs. I'm not sure if they're limited edition, so I do apologize, but you can find something similar. It doesn't have to be the exact same if you don't have these. So I have the Dose of Colors times I Love Sarai lip gloss in the color Brio. Makes your lips super shiny in the sun. So freaking beautiful. I like to focus it in the center So my key to this glowy look, I can't believe I forgot, has been this Pixie Glow Mist. So it has like oils in it, so you have to shake it up before you use it and just spray all over the face. Smells so freaking bomb. Alright you guys, so this is the completed summer glowy makeup routine that I've been doing. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do this look since I've been rocking this look a lot on my pictures on Instagram. So yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me on there. Honestly, I really love this look. I'm literally obsessed, and I hope you guys are too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me how much you love me. And and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you'll always be notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.